Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up Restream with OBS Studio. If you want to broadcast your live stream to multiple platforms at the same time, using Restream together with OBS Studio is one of the easiest ways to do it. Instead of streaming separately to different platforms, Restream allows you to send one stream that gets distributed to several destinations like YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook. To begin, open your browser and log into your account on Restream. Once you enter your dashboard, you'll see the main control panel where you can manage your streaming channels, stream settings, and analytics. Next, we're going to create a new stream by clicking on the New Stream button on the top right corner. From that, we're going to select the encoder option since it has an option to connect with OBS Studio. Next, you'll need to obtain the streaming key that will connect your streaming software to Restream. There's the RTMP URL and the stream key, which we're going to copy the URL link and the key number. These details will allow your streaming software to send video data to Restream. Now, open OBS Studio on your computer. Once the software launches, go to the Settings menu and navigate to the Stream section. Inside the Stream settings, you'll see options to select your streaming service. Instead of selecting a specific platform like YouTube or Twitch, choose the option for Custom Streaming Server, or the Restream option. Next, copy the RTMP server URL from your Restream dashboard and paste it into the server field in OBS Studio. Then copy your Restream stream key and paste it into the stream key field. Once these details are entered, click Apply and then OK to save the settings. Now your OBS Studio software is connected to Restream. You can also add sources such as microphones, webcams, images, and screen captures to build your streaming layout. After everything is set up, return to the Restream dashboard to confirm that your streaming channels are active and ready. When you're ready to broadcast, simply click Start Streaming inside OBS Studio. OBS will send your stream to Restream, and Restream will automatically distribute it to all the platforms you connected earlier. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.